Hello, good morning everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you what is the new thing in term 2 biology sample paper. Of course, you know it is a pandemic syllabus. Of course, a lot of portions are removed for us. And the chapters we have is human health and diseases, microbes and human welfare, biotechnology, principle and processes, biotechnology and its application, and simple chapters like organism and population, biodiversity and conservation. The time limit they have allowed is 2 hours is the time limit they have allowed for us. And all the questions are compulsory and we have some internal choices. Totally there will be 13 questions we'll be having in the examinations. So in this 13 questions, all the questions are compulsory. There is no choices between the questions. But among the questions when you check here, section A, it has 6 questions of 2 mark each. Section B has 6 questions of 3 mark each, and there is only one case-based questions. And in section A, you'll be having 2 internal choices. Section B, you'll be having 1 internal choices, and section C is only 1 question with internal choice. So in the internal choice, a student has to attempt any one of the alternatives in such questions. And wherever necessary, please children, in biology keywords are very important. Draw a neat and a properly labeled diagram. If you're drawing a diagram, below the diagram, title is required. If you're putting any table, above the table, title is required. Wherever possible, try to put the flow chart. And the question paper is as follows. Now, if you look about here, in 2 mark questions, how many keywords are required? 4 keywords required or 4 points required. But I suggest you to go more than 1 or 2 points beyond the number of questions that has been asked. For example, if it is 2 marks, okay, fine, go with 4 keywords or 4 points. But I recommend go with 6 keywords minimum or maximum. If you go for 6 and more than that also it is fine. But minimum go for 6 keywords. And when you go for any in the form of points, just go for 6 points and above. So if you look about here, a patient admitted in ICU was diagnosed to have suffered from myocardial infarction. The condition of CAD, coronary artery, is depicted in the image below. Name the 2 bioactive agents and their mode of action that can improve this condition. You can see one area cholesterol is there and clot buster. So we have to identify the cholesterol lowering agent and we have to go for clot buster. What are these agents? Of course, you know it is actually statin and streptokinase. So right here, name of the microbe, the taxon in which they belong to, what is the product form, and the biological activity. You can go with that. So like this, we have totally 6 questions where there will be 2 internal choices. In this paper, if you look about here, we have question number 2 with internal choices and question number 6 with internal choices. Among these 2, if it is a question number 6, you can write this question or you can go for this question. After these 2 questions, any 2 questions you can write in the examination. So that is actually a very important thing that you have to understand and try to attend in sequences. If it is section A, try to attend the section A in sequence. Okay, fine. Now let us go for the next section, that is section B. Section B also has 6 questions. Every question carries 3 mark each. And only 1 question have internal choices. Here for question number 7, they are given the internal choices. There is no more internal choices in that. Now, when we go for section C, you have a case-based question where the question is there on biotechnological purpose. And for this, we have an internal choice. Therefore, scoring in biology is very easy and wherever possible, go with the keywords. Okay, next video I'll show you. I have discussed a model paper with you all about the question along with answers I have given with page numbers. You can go with that also. And with keywords with answers key, I'll be sharing you many papers. Please watch the videos then and then to get the updates. Thank you very much.